Hello friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can show a upsell pop-up message or a pop-up offer using Selleasy app in the cart page on your Shopify store. So I'm using Upsell or Carousel Selleasy app for this. This is a powerful tool that helps you to increase your store sales with upsells or cross-sell offers. So let's dive into the video. Before going to the video, please make sure that you are subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So I have downloaded this app from Shopify App Store. You can also explore the Shopify App Store and search the for this and you can install this after logging to your Shopify admin panel. So on after installing, you can just see the app is showing in the dashboard section of your admin panel just below the app section. And click on create campaign. Since we are focusing on the pop-up message in the cart as the upsell offer, we can just go to the cart page and you can just have some preview on like how it looks like, and you can also have other two options available here. I'm just mainly focusing on the pop-up in the cart, so I'm just clicking on create button. Now you can just give any like you can just give any campaign name in this field. I'm just giving pop-ups upsell as the campaign name, and you can also select the product for which this offer is displayed, and it could be for all the products or a specific products or a specific products with some tags or a collection of products or a specific variant, something like that. Let's go with the all products now. If you are planning to have this for specific products, you can just browse this product and click on the selected product and just add that like this. Otherwise, you can just disable or delete this and go for all the products. And if you have any conditions to appear this offer and the offer to which this product is displayed, then those conditions you can just have or set up over here. And in case of offers, the selected products will be showing one by one when the user checkouts from the cart. So it could be a manual selection or the automated one. And I'm just planning to have the manual one, and the offer one product I'm just planning to give this one. And yeah, you can also I'm just adding another product as the offer two. Let's go with this. And yeah, you can also customize the text with the campaign title, campaign subtitle, discount text, or the custom product description also you have. Okay, so with these products, you can just have those. And yeah, next you can also just have the campaign settings. We can just show the quantity picker along with this products we have chosen, and also you can just don't show the product are already in the cart. Those who have already added the product to the cart, we won't show this the added products in the upsell or in the pop-up message. And in case of discount, you can either to use these lazy discount functions, or if there are any automatic existing one is there, then you can just use that, or a dynamically created one also you can use. And I'm just planning to have this lazy discount functions, and I'm planning to give the product discount, and the value is 10. I mean the 10 percentage, and I'm just giving sale 10 as my product code. And you can also have the discount text like a special treat for you, get discount off now. The dynamic value will be take up the value which we have added here. And in the combination like these discount can be combined with the existing product discounts or order discount or shipping discount. And you can also just have the campaign schedule dates to be enable, like you can just click on this chart date, then you can just have select any date from this calendar, and the time also you can set up like this. And you can also set up so end date will from which to which, like when it should end, then the pop-up will end according with the end date and time. I'm not planning to give any end date for now. So after all this setup, you can just save the changes. And next things we have to add the uh, block to your uh, theme editor. So we have app embedded in your theme editor page and the products are valid and available in the online store. Campaign is active. So all the checks has been done and we can just click on refresh and we can view in your store. So let's add one product to the cart and I have some products in the cart and on clicking checkout you can see the pop-up with you might also like and a special treat for you getting percentage off now and our percentage one or the discount one is here, so you can just see the upsell or the pop-up offer is shown like this. So that's how you can just create a upsell pop-up block or offer using Selleasy app in your Shopify store. So while you're waiting for, just try this out in your online store with using the Selleasy app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.